Shekaro's princess, get ready to go back to Shekaro's filthy dynasty. The ordinary life I met you before I made you and your family important. Because I'm ready to unmake you.
Look at us now, where have we been, yeah?
What kind of helper have you been? The kind of helper that tortures and forces the beneficiaries to throw away their dignities as human beings.
You are as ungrateful as your father. It runs through your blood. Do you know how many aspiring politicians who cannot make it into the office they covet? But I made it possible for your lowly father.